Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to the Personal Finance course. I'm Mr. Mind and I'll be guiding you on this journey towards better financial education. I'm very excited to have you here with me. Throughout this course, we will explore many interesting and useful topics. We'll start with the basics. What is financial education and why is it so important? Then, we'll dive into how to create and maintain a budget, techniques for saving money, investment strategies, and how to plan for your financial future. Here you can see an overview of what we'll cover. Each of these topics is designed to give you practical tools that you can apply immediately in your life. Financial education is vital. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by your finances? Or struggled to make ends meet? Knowing how to manage your money not only reduces stress, but it also allows you to achieve your goals and dreams. Imagine being able to travel more, buy your home, or simply not worry about money. I want you to think about what you value most in your life. Maybe it's your family, your friends, your passions. Having control over your finances gives you the freedom to fully enjoy those things. That's the power of financial education. My main goal is that by the end of this course, you feel confident and capable of managing your finances. We're going to learn how to set clear and achievable financial goals and make informed decisions. I want you to feel empowered to take control of your financial future. Here are the specific objectives we aim to achieve together. Each of these steps will bring us closer to a healthier financial life. I'd love to know which topics interest you the most or if you have any specific questions. Leave your comments below and I'll be responding as we go along. This course is for you, so I want to make sure you get the most out of it. I'm here to support you every step of the way. So, get your notebooks and pens ready, because we are about to start this exciting journey towards financial freedom. See you in the next video. Thank you for joining us in this personal finance course. Let's do this together and enjoy the process.